Taking time to reflect gains understanding that can help you grow your business. Are you making the time for it? What's up, fellow marketers? I'm Chris Kapelski, and this is the last 2020 edition of Marketing Tip Monday. I've been taking a lot of time to reflect lately, and I just wanted to kick this video off by saying thank you. I truly understand that these videos and this YouTube channel would mean absolutely nothing if we couldn't provide people like you with great content and great information that's hopefully helping you grow your business. So if you've liked these videos, go ahead and hit like down below, hit the subscribe button. We have a lot of great content planned for you guys in 2021, and if you hit that subscribe and you hit the notification bell, YouTube will tell you when it's coming out. So let's get into the video. As you're taking time to reflect, there's a few important things that you should probably try to reflect on. The first is your business and marketing strategies. Take time and think about, what have you used over the past year? Have those strategies done well for you? Or maybe there's room for improvement. Dissect those strategies. Find out if there's certain areas that worked really well, and maybe just cut those that didn't out entirely. By looking at your strategies and understanding what worked and didn't, that'll allow you to optimize moving forward and make a better use of your budget going into the future. The next thing you really want to consider is probably your customers. Are you truly reaching and working for the customers that you want to? It's important to have a good understanding of your target market, and more importantly, be working for the clients that you want to work for. Think about the clients over the past year. Have you run into some difficult ones? Or maybe you found some that were absolutely perfect for your business. No matter what you find, take that into consideration and think about that. Change your targeting moving forward and change your customers moving forward to make sure you're reaching the people that you want to reach. And certainly, last but not least, think about your products or services, the things that you're selling and what you're putting out there. Is it really putting your best foot forward? Are they really the products and the items and the services that help your target market the most? Maybe you had products that were a great success and you could double down on them with a similar product. Do that. But maybe you had a product that you thought was going to be amazing and it just flopped. Well, now you've learned and you could take that information moving forward. Whatever you're doing, reflection gives you a great understanding of the things going on, and from there, you can move forward in a new way. And you should do just that. Move forward. Don't dwell in the past. Take the time to reflect, but don't overthink it. Once you've taken an appropriate amount of time to reflect, make a plan. Take all that information that you've gained and make it into something that you can take moving forward. Hopefully that helps you reflect and plan for 2021. If you're looking for other videos to help you grow and plan in 2021, we have an entire playlist for you right over there. Thank you guys for tuning in again. I look forward to seeing you all on the next Marketing Tip Monday. We'll see you.